Guys, do you see all the houses, the structures, the huge buildings, so much construction behind me? It's pretty much a whole city. And when you see it, most people would say, yeah, they see a lot of concrete, they see a lot of bricks, they see a lot of work, effort. You know what I see? I see a lot of communication.
Naren.
Imagine building all of that, you need a lot of people. And to build something, to make something happen, you need communication. And when I see all of that, I see communication, I see so much communication. And the reason I want people to become better communicators is that, let's say we want to replicate that, we want to build a big city, we want to expand, we want to make things happen. If we are better communicators, the same stuff can happen so much more efficiently. Some cities are being built at such a great pace, not only because of the work and the effort, but also because of a great communication. And I thought I'll bring this point and highlight it to you. That's why I am very passionate about becoming a better communicator, helping people become better communicators, and that's why you should be passionate about becoming a better communicator yourself and making sure that your team members, your workers, wherever you are, people are better communicators so we can live a more efficient, smoother, and empowered life. Much love. I'll see you guys in my next video.